everybody, let's cut it out. Let's cut out this magazine. Well, you know I'm now okay, this catches my eye right away. But then so does this cover. So here lies the dilemma, right? Right? Because look, I mean, I'll cut the cover out. I know I should cut it out right now, but I'll cut it out later because I use the magazine as a folder for my images. But this is speaking to me too loudly, but I'll see this again. But reach for the crown. Okay. Now, you know, this is a magazine. Oh, see, look. No, we're going to cut this out. Alrighty. We're going to cut this out. Reach for the crown. We'll have to wait. Oh. Okay. Alright. Now, this magazine, normally I wouldn't get, but it was in a 3-pack, and it just spoke to me. The color spoke to me, because that's how, you know, sometimes you find a good deal on magazines that you normally wouldn't pick up. This speaks to me too. So let's cut it out. It's a lot of imagery here that I would use. I'm just going to turn the page and save it. Something that I'm going to save. I'm not going to spend time in cutting it out right now. Nice. Okay, we're just going to keep turning the page. I'm not going to get stuck. I'll read the magazine on my own time. And look at stuff I can't afford. Now, if you see anything that you would have cut out, let me know down below. Oh, yes, I love all that. I do. Oh, and this orange and these umbrellas. I love that. I love this. Now, I'm resisting the urge to make this a chat harvest and glue book, because my book is right over here, magazine only, but I'm not going to do that because I don't have the time right now. But yes, I love these umbrellas. These are cute. Seems like, well, I know they're expensive. Oh my God. Okay, see, I said I was not going to say that. $345. Okay. Can it be bad? May come back and look at all this, but we're just quickly flipping through, and you know where I stopped. These are really nice. All right. I would see welcome party. Now we could take time to cut that out right now. And this is just my first pass of looking through these magazines. Yes, this will go nice in my summer Blue Book Junk Journal. Yeah, so we're going to cut this out. And I hope, if you haven't seen me playing that, if you're new, I will, if I can remember, link it above and below. That's really nice. Oh, okay. Conversation piece. Okay. A ruched taffeta slipcover turns the humble dog crate into a decorative theater. So that is cute. That's a good idea. Do you guys do that, you dog parents? That is cute. The dog will be like, could I just get in my space, please? Could I just get in there? But it would make it look, you know, I guess nice and fun for the parent doggy. You're like, can I just, please, enough. But that's cute. It's a nice conversation piece. Okay. I'm not going to do that. Y'all, I'm not going to do that. Oof, $270. Okay, we're not going to discuss the price of things for well-to-do people. That's a, ooh. I think I like that. There's a, not, it says poetry of pragmatism. It looks like a work of art, but I will cut that out, and I love that green. On the couch with Marie and Deville. Ooh, I like her name, Deville. I see that smile everywhere she is. So beautiful. Okay, yes, I will have to cut that out later. And I like that green, y'all. Ooh, the little sun piece here. There's a lot in here. Well, I hope I see this again. Yeah, get magazines that interest you or what moves you, and you will have more fun cutting out things. And reading the articles. I'll cut this out later, but no, I'll just give it a good. Because I'm going to come back through again, y'all know, to do the a harvest and glue book. The snip harvest and glue book. Because it's so much to see. Wow. Wow. The watch, I love watches. And then this color back here, right? Ooh. And aluminum board. Fabulous. But I'm just going to put that there for now. Necessary luxuries. Is that an oxymoron? Because you don't need a luxury. I may have to read to see their argument on. Do I have to decorate my age? No. What do you think down below? The number of birthday candles you blow out no longer determines how you dress up your interiors. As these old souls and youthful spirits can attest, it's all about the mix. Okay. Oh, I had to look at this later. Come on, move it along, Lady Luke. Move it along. You're lingering. Oh, there's plenty to see here. It's plenty to see here. This, I would cut it apart, though, because that's artist rendition. This for texture. This, they dress her up. Of course, romancing the stove. Okay, but I like this. This is nice. But then so is this. Okay. Okay. We'll figure it out. Front and center. Yeah, I'll borrow your the work of art right there. Is this nice? But for right now, this is speaking to me. The front and center. Wow, this magazine has a lot. It's too small. Well, I could cut it up and put it in right now. Okay, I'm not cutting it up right. So that's okay. Alrighty. I'll put it in. I'll just slide it right there for the time that it's being. Oh boy. Oh. Oh boy. Love this. Love this. Look at that purple. That green. Yes. Yes. Indeedy speedy. Look at that. The King of Clubs. It's a lot to get on this page. I will get. Watch me as I do this in the upcoming glue book. Ooh, this magazine has a lot. Okay. Now normally, but I like it. I mean, I could live with it, but I could visit it. I had to come down because there has to be balance. Oh my gosh. Oh, and that's me talking. I will overdo a page in a minute. Ooh, look at him. He got eclectic taste. Ooh. I probably would cut that out to be something else. And that's pretty. Ooh, you know, if I want to hold it just like that. Alrighty. I'll put that here. And stuff that there. Like the color there. Oh! All this. Look at all that. Oh! A sunset from Orlana in July 2nd, 1870. The artist studio as it appears today. That is gorgeous. Oh, boy. Love it! I'm going to have to borrow some of that. Thank you. Ooh, that's nice too. Okay, it tastes a village. I like this. Oh boy, imagine. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, that would look nice if I... Okay, put it over here. Then put it over here. But see, then I'll put it in a folder and then it'll be lost. I'm like, oh, remember when I cut out? And then I won't be able to find it. Oh, I like this. I like this, but I have to cut it out later. I think I need to hurry up because I think I hear my camera cutting off. There is a lot to see. Oh, boy. I like this. It's a lot. I'm going to come back to visit it. Alrighty, friends. Okay. This is the end paper. Is it? I think it is. Oh, yeah. This is gorgeous. This is nice, too. Oh, boy. No, we had to cut that out. Wow, this was fun. I hope to see this magazine again in that 3-pack because, wow, this was really a lot of fun. Oh, who would have thunk it? The colors caught my eye and I couldn't resist the 3-pack. I had a, look how much I cut out. So when I do a glue book, I don't know when, we have a beginning spot where we could start. I had fun on that. I hope you did too. Did you see anything that I didn't tear out that you want me to go back and hurry up and tear out? So we had front and center for some of it. A landscape, conversation piece, house of dreams. These beautiful end paper. This is some nice images in this book. For not only my magazine only book, but for my summer blue book journal. And look at these pictures. These images. And here I was all off to the right. And you probably didn't see none of it. Oh, but we have collected a lot from, there's another one for my summer junk journal. That was just a work of art. And I love the color. Here we are again. And it's texture. And so we found a lot. At first I was like, isn't there going to be a bunch of, exquisite jewelry that I can't afford. It's a lot in here. I enjoyed this magazine. So, I'd like to thank you so very much for watching. And please stay tuned, and we'll see these images in my magazine only and in my other glue books as well. Yeah, so why am I limiting myself to magazine only? And if you want to see other Let's Cut It Out videos, I have a playlist that show not only just magazines, but things around the house that you could cut up to use in your glue books and your junk journals. Okay, friends, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you made it this far, you know how we do. You can go ahead and wave at me, put the glue book emoji or the scissors emoji or anything you've seen here, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.